Vendor card delivery will allow admins to email invoices and card details directly to suppliers, allowing them to process your payments quickly and correctly. Let's dive in. Only business administrators with the permissions funding of cards, view card usage, and have MFA enabled can leverage this new feature. To get started, log in to the PEX dashboard. Navigate to Cards and click on Vendors. If a vendor card hasn't been created yet, click the Order Cards button in the upper corner of the page and follow the prompts. However, since this account already has vendor cards created, simply click on a card that you want to send to your vendor. Next, hover on the card image and click the Send to Vendor button. Then, you will want to provide the email address you are sending the card to, a message for the vendor, the date the payment should process by, the invoice amount, and an invoice number. Providing a message and invoice details are optional. Next, click Preview to review and verify the provided details. The following screen will appear, allowing you to review all details you provided. This is also what your vendor will see after you send the card. If you find any mistakes, click Edit. Otherwise, click Send. Success! Your vendor card has been sent and your invoice is ready for payment. After you push Send, the following email notification will be sent to all admins. When the card is viewed by the vendor, we also send this email notification to inform your admins of the status. It is important to note that the vendor can only open card details once. Also, if they don't open card details within 30 days, the link will expire and they will be unable to process the payment. Another helpful feature is the Send History tab within each vendor card. This allows you to view the history of the vendor card and all details that were included in the email to your supplier. This tab also shows the status of the card and if the card has been viewed. We recommend you open spend rules on the card details page and set up the spend rules such as unchecking auto card funding, set time-based spend limits, and configure a list of allowed vendors in the merchant setting. Feel free to scan the QR code for additional support material or reach out to our customer success team for support.